Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my latest completion of Mona Lisa Kitty. I like how the background turned out. It's so cute. It's so cute. Look at those paws. Oh my god. I love it. This is from Temu. I'm going to put her here in this side. Maybe. Good enough. And I really don't have that many cats done. Stalker Kitty. This one came from Amazon. A mystery box. Yeah, so that's all the cats that I have done. And I've got cat with pearl earring hanging here. And then over here, there's Mona Lisa with cat, which I love. I can't believe it turned out so good. Look at the Mona Lisa. Like, wow. That's diamond painting. Wow. And she's holding a cat. Oh my god, it's too cute. And Scream Kitty. There's a kitty back here too. I got a couple of Temu packages today. So I'm going to do some stuff, upload this video, and then I'm going to open it up. Alright. Peace out. God bless.